10 little pirates. Ten little pirates sailing out to sea, looking for adventure, happy as can be. Are they hunting treasure? Are they going far? 10 little pirates all say, "Arr!" 10 little pirates, and the weather's looking fine. Squawk! Goes an albatross. Now they are 9. 9 little pirates searching for their mate. Zap! Goes the lightning. Now they are 8. 8 little pirates looking up to heaven. Whoosh goes a hurricane. Now they are 7. 7 little pirates really in a fix. Crash goes a great big wave. Now they are 6. 6 little pirates trying to stay alive. Chomp goes a giant squid. Now they are 5. 5 little pirates spot a man-o-war. Boom goes a cannon. Now they are 4. 4 little pirates bobbing on the sea. Cooey calls a mermaid. Now they are 3. 3 little pirates wondering what to do. Sploosh goes a water spout. Now they are 2. 2 little pirates baking in the sun. Snap goes a hungry shark. Now there is 1. 1 little pirate, sad and all alone. No ship, no food, no way home. Then 1, then 2, then 3, then more. All the other pirates spluttered to the shore. Drinking milk from coconuts, safe beneath a star. 10 little pirates all say, "Arr!"